Yo, good evening all. Welcome back. It's Elliott Trades again. Just wanted to give an update on the analysis that I gave on Bitcoin earlier on today. It's playing out perfectly. And I did actually do a search after I did the video. I thought, let me see who else has realized what they're doing with Bitcoin right now. And to be honest with you, I saw about 3 different videos from channels that I thought would agree, but none of them 2 of them were looking for sales, and one of them was like, I don't know. Actually, that last one, their video was before the movement happened, so they might not know. So anyway, Bitcoin has continued higher, as we said earlier on today. I'm going to show you the count on the 4-hour time frame. So we've got a 1 and a 2, another 1 and another 2 on a lower degree. And we're looking for this 3, 4, 5 to get this degrees 3. I'm going to change the color. The green 3, okay? And let's get the fib extension for the green 3. Okay. Put that in green. Okay. So really my target is up here. In fact, let's get that price level. 1, 2, 3, 300. The 1, 2, 3, 300 would be my first main take profit area. Okay. Be my first main take profit area. I will be watching price all the time anyway, but that is where I am aiming for, to take off the majority of the positions, something like 75%, 80%. Okay, so now let's do the fib locally for the move for this purple 1, 2. Okay, purple. So I'm going to put the 1-to-1 on there anyway, because there'll be some resistance when it gets to 1-to-1. It usually is. So that'll be a good small take partial area, just above that high, 1-to-1. Definitely take some positions off there. There'll be a big retracement likely. Okay, so just to get the purple 1 in 9, something like this. Yeah, something like this. So now if I put on the waves, I'm looking at some type of price action similar to this. I haven't used the Fibonacci time here or anything like that. I'll let more structure build up. But when we're well into this 3, I'll start using the time to see where roughly we might be up here if we're to make it up there. But that is my bias that we are going to make it to at least up there before a major pullback and then continuation higher again. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick update. Tomorrow I'll update again and I'll do the forex pairs in the morning. So take care, like, share, comment and subscribe. Peace.